Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Tally Forms with AI responses automation easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Tally Forms. Once you reach the Tally Forms homepage, look for the login option. Click on the login button to proceed. You will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check your credentials for accuracy. Once both fields are filled, click the Login button. Now that you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On your dashboard, find the option for AI Responses Automation. Click on that option to access the automation settings. Here, you can customize your AI automation preferences. Follow the prompts to set up your desired responses. Make sure to save your settings before exiting. You're now set up to use AI Responses Automation in Tally Forms. To test your setup, create a sample form. Fill out the form and watch how AI responds. If everything works well, your automation is successfully configured. Feel free to explore additional features Tally Forms offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.